small little spot right before turning in. There's this cafeteria, so we're just gonna get some food. What are you gonna get? So this is our pit stop, and there's a cat right there just chilling out with us, and yeah, very peaceful. Actually, you know what? There's just not one, but there's 3 cats, like 1 below and 2 above, chilling with us. My mom is walking around, so I'm just gonna sip on my coffee first because I'm really very tired. Just look at this. Right now we just finished lunch and we are finding our way around to get into the cave. We are just lost. We're just gonna find a way around and see if we can get there. Yes. We cannot drop anything. Once we drop already, then that's it. I feel like we don't even have to go to China to experience the fear of heights. Here, once you look down, that's it. You'll feel like, what the frick is going on? And there's another stairways again. Very steep, and people, there's a tree right in front though. There's like, you have to really glide through, then can. Again, it's like really bent. I don't know if we should go adventurous, really just go all the way up. Look at how tall we are from the ground. I think really can't measure how high we are right now. Not like how high, but how... what's the distance from the ground all the way up here? So it's very windy right now after standing right here. It goes all the way down. It's very steep, so and there's looking like another tunnel to go through another side, which I can see the light from here. It's pretty cool. You can hear the echo. But seems like we have accomplished quite a bit. Sweating so profusely right now. We came all the way down to realize that it's not a tunnel to go through, but it's just empty, like so-called tunnel, which has no leads. So we are leaving right now. So right now we are doing the another side and more cave, I think. Oh, look, there's the ground there. We are like all the way up. It's very exhausting. Have a red sign there. It's called Gua Gajah. I think where we see from the another cave earlier to look in here, maybe. I think it forbids us to go in, right? We just finished the trail and we are out again. I don't know. Yeah, might just go to the right hand side and see if there are any trails up again. It's raining really. And it's very sunny outside. It's 3.5 kilometers away. There says some Malay word. So after I translate, it says Mountain of the Peasants. And my mom feels like it's too long to head up, so we're not heading up this time around. So walking into another end, we are seeing a few huts here. And very funny because there's running water, which is there, and another basin right there. Yeah, and there's running water. And you can see the room inside from here. I'm not going in, I'm not gonna trespass. Just being very nice, being a nice tourist. So we are touring the place and the cat decided to join us. Oh, another one is behind. It's coming to join us. Aww, how cute. Is it because we gave you food earlier? We have no more food already. Thank you, thank you. You know I gave you guys food. There's another cat. The other cat is not coming over. I like to rub against my legs. Aww, so sweet. We have no more food to give them already. So after taking a long detour, we finally got here, which is the opposite side. Then we need to cross the bridge, which is there. But we got here already. Yeah, that's the one that from there all the way that here. Then it comes across all the way here. So we can continue to walk here and see. I don't think there's anything that walkway, seems like there's nothing onward, so we just decided to just not go ahead. The Mountain of the Peasants, but I don't think we'll be going there because we are really drained. So instead we'll be going to a shopping mall to grab some stuff, replenish some stocks before I get off to England. Yeah, I'll see you guys around. So we found another stairways. Maybe it's to another cave, we have no idea. All the way up. So, not too sure if my mom wants to explore or not. She's very tired right now. So yeah, let's see how she goes. So it looks like my mom has decided to go up and explore. So we are walking out right now because after walking that trail, it leads to this forest. So nothing exciting. So was in the car earlier. I was dozing off, very tired. So right now inside the shopping center, gonna get some stuff before we get back again. Well, I don't even have to go to London, New York and America, like Brooklyn and California to even get this. They're all here. What? There's even Alan Walker t-shirt here as well. Are you kidding me? And there's even Marvel. Wow, I can't believe it. There's even more, like, let me show you guys. There's like Timberland behind, yes. NYC as well. Fred Perry. I want to get one of these. I want to get it in dry fit. I saw this in Bangkok but I never buy it at all. So I might just sieve through what's good and then I'll get it. And there's Timberland. And there's many more. There's Off-White here. Oh my gosh guys, there's Off-White. Balenciaga. Many more brands. Supreme as well. Wow. Okay, let's see through. So one thing I realized about the shirt is that there's only large and extra large. So I literally can't fit. I mean I can fit in, but it's extra big for me. So I don't think I'll get anything. As in, the material aren't that nice as well. So we'll continue to sift around and see what's good. So after much walking, I settled with a pair of shoes because, well, my shoe, the material broke already. I will still be wearing it because it's very lasting, but yeah, as of now I'm just gonna get one pair because I'm going to London in a couple of days. So I want to get something casual yet be able for me to walk around comfortably. So this really fits me very well and the material is very nice, so I'm getting this and it's $10 only, so that's good. Maybe looking at more stuff. Well, talking about London, look, London again.